Ladies and gentlemen, please excuse us for that unfortunate incident. As you see, my sister is very new in the business and she's inexperienced, so hindi talaga maiwasan ng mga ganitong pangyayari. But no need to worry, she's gonna be okay. And I'm more than sure that she'd want us to move on with the launch. Alam niyo po, pinaghirapan po talaga namin ang gabing ito. So, Mr. Chen, Mrs. Buenavista, and to all our prospective clients, I urge you to stay and watch the presentation. And if you may ask, this is actually a brainchild of mine. Thank you.
Wow, Hener! Sobra na, ha? Tingnan mo yung anak mo niyan. Nagbibida-bida.
Thank you, thank you.
Ma, at least she had enough sense to get up on stage and go on with the launch.
Thank you very much.
Let's admit it, Ma.
Please help me.
Sophia saved the day for all of us.
Gonna drive the night. Thank you.
Ay, hi. Bakit hindi ka na naman ba dito matutulog?
Okay na lang ako doon. At least doon nakakatulog ako.
Michael, huwag mo naman masamain yung pagbisita ni Luis. Dumadalaw lang naman yung tao eh.
Ayoko na pag-usapan yan. Lumambig na yung ulo ko. Ayoko na mag-visit ulit.
Anong pagkakaalam mo kay Sofia Montemayor? Si Sofia Montemayor ang lehitimong anak? At si Elisa ang anak sa labas? Mukhang hindi magkasundo magkapatid, ha? Really? Interesting, interesting. O sige, I call you back. Thanks. Sa wakas, nakahanap din ng butas na malulusutan. Looks like I have my way in sa mga Montemayor.
Hindi ako tanga para hindi isipin na ikaw ang may kagagawa ng lahat.
To tell you honestly, I'm sorry, but you're such a big joke to this business community now.
Maling-mali ito na pinaniwala natin siya sa isang kasinungalingan eh. Hindi ako dapat pumayag na magpanggap ka bilang ama niya. Doon ka na lang sa pamilya mo. Sila na lang ang asikasuhin mo.
Effective today, I am relinquishing my position as president of this company and I'm giving it to Sophia.
Really, Dad?
Yes.
Really?